In this video, we will look at the metadata requirements for the Maritime Limits and Boundaries project, Geospatial Metadata. So let's get started by looking at the XML encoding of the ISO 19115 style metadata. This ISO 19115 style metadata record was created from the Harmonized North American Profile HNAP data that was provided to the project by the Canadian Hydrographic Service, CHS. For MLB data discovery, it was decided that 22 fields were mandatory. This metadata record identifies each of these fields in a comment field. Here are some examples of the mandatory fields in XML. Here's, for example, the file identifier, which is on the list as number 15. And here's another example of, let's say, the point of contact, which is the number 13. So it goes down, the data goes down through here and ends at this comment. So let's look at the metadata editor that was developed by the Government of Canada for supporting HNAP. As it turns out, it also supports ISO 19115 styles as well. Here you can see the fields in the metadata record information section. Here's the description of the metadata in both English and French. Next, here's an example of metadata record loaded into ArcGIS Pro. ArcGIS Pro loads the ISO 19115 metadata, plus it automatically adds some additional fields, primarily for ArcGIS use. And this expanded metadata is called ArcGIS metadata. In addition, the metadata can be viewed and manipulated in French in ArcGIS Pro.